The first thing we're going to do is chop this onion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut off this little end part here. Cut the onion in half. And then you'll just go ahead and peel that very outer layer. Peel that very outer layer. You're going to take these, you're just going to finely dice them. Not too fine, you still want to get that crunch. But you're just going to cut it and dice it. Put a chop through the middle like this. Put that back in there and just give nice cubes. And look at those perfect cubes. You're going to take these onions, you're going to put them in a container to be ready. This is the prep stage. Once you have your 2 potatoes, you're going to cube them nice and small so they'll cook nicely. Alright, once you've got the potato all chopped up, same thing. Just put it in a container, let it sit for now. Now you're going to take your garlic. Same thing. Get it nice and chopped up. I like to take the peeling off, crush it. Just peel the peeling off like that. Same thing with this one, just crush it. Peel the peeling off. And I'm just going to dice these very finely. And for these, I'm just going to put off to the side over here. Pat these guys dry. Boom. So what you're going to do, you're going to chop these guys up. Tiny little squares. Here. So now you're going to get yourself a bowl and put these in the bowl. So I have this little mix of Tex-Mex paste. It would also work with Tex-Mex sauce or seasoning. Just mix it with some liquid and you throw it in here. This is just regular Tex-Mex seasoning from Walmart. I'm just gonna pour that right in there. Alright, you're going to take that, you're going to add some salt, some pepper, most of your garlic, not all of it, leave a little bit for yourself. You're going to add a squeeze of half of your lime. Squeeze it like that, it'll get a lot more of the juice out. Give it a nice little stir. And you're going to put a lid on it and let it sit for about an hour. In this jar, I'm going to mix together most of the onion, the garlic, some salt and some pepper, a little bit more, and then the rest of that lime. Got some lime on me, and I'm just going to give that a nice stir up. You're going to put it on a medium to medium high heat. Oil, so I'm going to spray the bottom with oil. Add your potato bits over here. Add your onion bits, the non-seasoned ones. Give it about 2 minutes and just let it all cook. Alright, after your timer is done, you're going to add the pork. I want those juices in there, so I'm going to go ahead and scrape the little amounts of juices left into the mixture. And I'm just going to stir it all up, get that meat in there, and then the meat's going to cook for about 7 minutes. Same thing, give it about 30 seconds on each side. Just let it thoroughly cook. And just give it about 6 to 7 minutes of cooking time on medium-high heat. While you wait for this to cook, you can grab your tortillas. We have 6. Wrap them in a paper towel. Get a tiny little bit of water and just kind of spread it over the paper towel so it'll steam it. Throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I'm also going to go ahead and have it covered. Now my tortillas are nice and warm. I'm just going to put them over to the side and just wait for these to cook. Once it's done, you can go ahead and turn off the heat, move it off the heat source. Grab your tortillas to start plating. We'll plate 2 at a time and plate the last one next. I'm going to separate it like that. Place a little bit of your onion mixture. I'm going to place a little bit of cheese down. And some of this meaty goodness. And if you've got sour cream, this is excellent topped with sour cream. That's up to you guys. And I'm going to go ahead. And it is just like that. Carne Asada tacos. If you've got more lime, cover it with some lime. This is delicious. Sour cream, like I said. A little bit of sour cream mixed with some lime is delicious. Have a good night, guys.